Howdy kids. Yeah, we're back again with another video. Trying to get this thing on the regular, on the weekly uploads. Not an 8.6 video today, unfortunately. It's going to be on the KE70. So today I need to figure out, because I'm running an aftermarket ECU. I'm running a Wolf 3D, which is pretty outdated for today's standards. It came with the engine, so if I can get it to run, then I will. If not, if it's just cooked, then I'm going to have to go with like a Microtech or something like that. Haltech is just way too expensive for me, being on a budget. But yeah, so the wiring, I just need to finish off a few things today. But yeah, well first, I'm just going to start off putting some spacers on the wheels because the calipers are hitting and the wheels aren't clearing. So we'll get that done first. Alright, so we're just going to try and raise the car up a little bit. It's pretty low at the moment, so the car is, yeah, it's the fenders are, well, the tires are not clearing on the fenders, front guards. I'm running 2 1.5s by 60s, I think, on the front, which are quite fat. I'm going to get some smaller ones later on, but for now it should be fine. Yeah, the front tires are 7s, so 15 by 7 inch wheels, 1.5 reps. But yeah, I'm just going to try and raise it up now and see how we go. A little bit of a change of plan. We're just going to get straight into some wiring. I just feel like I should just knock it out in one hit, so I just have to wire up the coils, the injectors, and a few wiring things. Then maybe fan relay and a few other things, and just sort of clean up the loom. I am going to be running a Aeroflow dual boost controller, so I need to wire that in later, but it's just going to be a solenoid and powering that, so we should be all good to go. But yeah, I'm just going to get into some wiring now. Alright, so with the wiring, it's just, I'm going to start off doing coils. I'm going to start off doing coils and the injector lines first. Earth it out on the firewall somewhere. Should be good. So we've got our injectors. This is our injector power here, and we've also got our coil power here. So I just need to get that all sorted. Signal's already into the ECU, so I just have to wire it up into the fuse box. Yeah. Alrighty, welcome back to Grainy Waves. Today we're working on the KE70. Kyle is currently under the car. We're trying to get this bunch of wiring sorted so we can try and turn it over, hopefully. Yeah, wiring's just about done on this car, and then it's just a few final things to get it on the road, and then I can get started on the 8.6, but this is priority at the moment. Yeah, so we're currently just trying to sort out this mess. The ECU wiring is basically done. I just have to run a 12 volt through a fuse to power the ECU, and then that's all sorted. I got ignition sorted too. I was trying to figure out ignition coils, but I managed to suss out some, I think it's BIM 024 modules. So I'm running wasted spark, so I need 2 for each coil pack. So that's all sorted now, which is good because I was stressing out big time. That's sorted, and now it's just trying to see if we can get it to work. Hopefully, but we'll try that in a bit. Alright, so it's a very sketch setup at the moment. But we're just trying to see if we can turn it over.
Good to see work health safety, isn't it?
Yeah. Don't tell the OH&S officials. Alrighty, I haven't got any lights to the inhibitor yet. But I'll try it. Ready?
Yep.
Nothing. Let me just. The light's working.
Yep.
Let me just try the inhibitor, if it works. Issues of having two keys.
Can I try something?
Yep.
Just nothing's lighting up.
Yeah.
So live. This has power now.
Yeah.
Confusing to it. Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, so we need to suss out why
Power's not getting to the dash.
you're not getting power up there, because you're getting power there for your lights.
Yeah, lights are working, but then everything inside the cabin isn't working.
So, but yeah, I mean,
She's spinning.
so it doesn't sound like it has compression.
Yeah, the spark plugs are not screwed in. I doubt.
Oh, okay.
Or they are.
Maybe it's because your exhaust is probably.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Damn, son!
Benny boy.
Oh,
It
maybe
doesn't
it's-
sound like it's
Is it
pumping.
popping?
The stator? The bit
So
that.
is it in gear?
Well, you would be moving.
Yeah, but is it in gear?
Ah.
Because if it is, that means that it's not popping out.
Okay. The weird thing about.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, have you seen this in here? Yes.
Yeah. We'll presume it's in neutral.
It should be. Yeah, it's a. Okay, I'm just gonna
A
put.
little bit of a sticker covering the big old
Clock.
wannabe taco.
Hey, seen the stickers in the back?
Look at that. Saucy.
It's just the tappy. It's not even engaging the motor, is it?
Do you have your drive shaft in?
Everything's
Tail shaft, sorry.
it's not spinning it. It's like missing the whole flywheel.
Alright. Maybe it's popping out too much.
It's smoky. Smoking up.
We'll try that. So, we think the cause might be a faulty ignition barrel because we are getting power when I hotwire it, but not
From the
like,
key.
turn the key, if that makes sense. 'Cause I
Yeah.
think the ignition switch
It's cooked,
is cooked. So,
which would make sense.
yeah. Done this
And
too many
Kyle-
times on my car.
Kyle's got one from my T18 I used to have.
Because my car doesn't like to start. So here we go. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to switch it out, see if it makes a difference. If it does, it's awesome. If not, we'll put it in anyway because we know that one works.
Yeah.
And then find the problem.
Yeah. One of many.
Yeah, but yeah, let's
do that.
get to it.
Let's finish this off. So it is sad boy hours. We attempted to try and get this thing started today.
Big on the attempt.
Yeah, but it just did not want to cooperate.
No,
We tried a few things, and it's looking like the starter's not even engaging the flywheel, and we can't even get the ignition barrel to connect, well, the wiring to connect to the starter motor, so it's a big oof.
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna have to put this in the shed for a bit and just focus on the 8.6. That's closer to being on the road than this at the moment. Which is really shitty because I put a lot of time into it.
And with the starter's engaging, but it's not engaging the flywheel, so most likely the engine will need to come out. So we can actually see what it's doing, and because we can't take the gearbox off underneath the car, so that's a no-go. But
Yeah. So it's not good at this stage.
No.
Really not good.
We thought it was just going to be a couple wires, but as it normally
We were
goes,
so
it never
wrong.
is. But no, so this will probably be the last episode on the KE70 until
Something happened with it.
yeah, until
That's a lot.
yeah.
Because this thing is like so close to being able to be on the road and like driving, but it's just
Because it's all legal and registered and everything, but
fortunately it's a negative on that one,
Yeah.
which sucks. But yeah, hopefully we'll have a few episodes soon. Carl's gonna be starting his
like SR conversion on the K55.
yeah, and then
That
I'll
should be happening in once exams are over.
yeah. So,
20-ish days.
so in the meantime, there should be like a few episodes on me getting some rust sorted and working on the 86 hopefully. But yeah, thanks for watching. Go like us on Instagram, subscribe, hit that like button please.
We're gonna cut that out yet.
But
No,
yeah, it's
Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Yeah. Drop in the comments if you live in Perth, so you can help us.
please.
But yeah, or send us some photos of your car on Instagram and we'll post them to the page.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Alright,
Yeah, just for that.
cheers.
Thanks.
We'll go kill ourselves now.
So sad. So sad.
Cock and balls.